Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we're gonna be making this delicious pilau. Karibuni nyote tupike pamoja.
Hello guys, Market Kenya today ya pilau kamuka kamoja.
Good job, Mama. Do you like pilau?
Yes. Then I and Joy say hello guys. So smart.
Yeah, you're so smart, Mama. You are so smart. Good job. The ingredients we're gonna be using are rice, meat, onions, pilau masala, garlic, and salt. We'll go ahead and sprinkle a little bit of salt and garlic on our meat. Mix everything together and let it sit for a few minutes before we cook it. In most of my videos, you'll notice that I don't wear gloves because I make sure that my hands are very clean before I start the mixing process. Since all the ingredients that we'll be using today are ready, we'll go ahead and boil our meat for about 45 minutes to an hour, then move on to the next step. To boil our meat, we'll need some water and a few slices of onions in our pot. Let's go ahead and mix everything together very well and place our pot on the stove to start the cooking process. Also, it's important for us to keep our eyes on the pot just to prevent the meat from burning. While our meat is cooking, we'll go ahead and clean our rice. Here we have our clean rice. We'll go ahead and soak it in water for about 15 minutes while waiting for our meat to get ready. Now that our meat is almost fully cooked, we'll go ahead and add in some of the spices. Now that our meat is fully cooked, we'll go ahead and add in the remaining onions as well as our rice. So we're only left with a few more steps to go, and right now we're just stirring our rice together with the meat. And this is how we want our rice to look like before we add in some water. After we combine everything together, we'll cover our pot and let our pilau cook. But it's important for us to keep on checking for the water level just to make sure that our pilau doesn't burn. Guess what? Our pilau is almost ready. Ta-da! So we're gonna let it cook for a few more minutes just to dry out all the water in it. And that's gonna be it for today, guys. So thank you so much for sticking with us up to this moment as we are concluding with our cooking. We are finally done with our cooking for today and we achieved a perfect result. Our pilau looks really amazing, guys. Once again, thank you so much for sticking with us and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.